Good morning. This morning we are taking the Chaquinan Nature Trail from Cumbaya down until we get to, well, I'm not sure. Let's find out. This is the Cumbaya portal entrance.
Ruta Ecologica.
So the trail starts off at 2,349 metres. I believe it drops down from here down until we get to, well, we're going to end up at Scala Mall, I think. Okay, I'll do a little bit more in a minute. Just stumbled across this dog park. Well, I say halfway down. We've only just started walking down the path. There's all this little cafe, and there's a dog pool. You see that? That's cool. Big dogs, little dogs. That's kind of cool, isn't it?
Oh, that's like a dog. Hey, don't do that, you'll get filthy. I got it in my eye. Ow.
There is some pretty cool graffiti down here. Look at this. Iguana? Chameleon, maybe.
It is a chameleon.
I think it's chameleon.
It is.
Pretty cool houses down here as well. I don't know how well you can see that through there. I don't suppose you can. Can you see it? Really big house in the background.
I want to look there. There's a monkey bar.
Another really big fancy house down here. It's lovely. It's really nice down here. Mento's nice. That's a big place, that one. Look at these places over here. Oh, beautiful. Look at these places as well. Amongst all the amazing houses down there, there's this built-up area here as well. It's kind of cool, very colourful. Let's just get past these trees. Look at these places down here. Amazing. Yeah, in a second, Oaks. Don't touch this wire here. Nikki just did. It's electrified. She's fried her brain. We've just crossed this bridge over the river here. It's a pretty small river. I'm a little bit nervous about this. I'm not very good with heights, but oh, you can only see the river now. Let's have an air look. We're just at the back of Scala Mall.